Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. The president of spoken, so we have to respect his decision and stay at home. We are talking about our celebrities. Guys, it's not business as usual. We see a lot of live videos on social media, Facebook and Instagram after the president announcement. The media personality Nandi celebrated her 32nd birthday indoors with only her husband Zex Bantwini and their two bundles of joy. They were singing, dancing and celebrating. You can check the video below. And guys, the other celebrity, it's Bontle Modiselle. She offered to teach those who are interested kuma dance moves. So you can DM her with the song you want her to do for you. So enough about our celebrities, guys. Please share on the comment section what are your plans. I hope ke sibuletse pila Sepedi a ke itse gore ke Sepedi or ke Sotho or ke Setswana. Pretoria, they mix and mix and mix and mix, so we end up learning isn't there wrong. So 21 days, please share with us what was guys. You know how much I appreciate you, so stay safe. I love you so much, guys. Bye.
Guys, hello. Please no judgment, ne? Signs of being a mommy. But I cannot believe that we are living right in the middle of a pandemic in 2020. When we thought of 2020, no one thought a virus would be vurvaying the world. But here we are, staying at home, which has its pros and cons, obviously. But I prefer to be on the pro side of things. And I thought, for the longest of time, I've been promising to teach people how to dance. I've been promising to get into studio. I've been promising high and low to do all of these dance-orientated things, but I've never gotten the chance to. Until Quarantena said, baby girl, now's the time. What you gonna do? Okay, so what we're going to do is this, and I'm definitely going to need your help for this, okay? So I figured that you guys let me know what style of dance you want to see me teach, along with the song you want me to teach it to. And then tomorrow at 12 p.m., I will post a 15-20 second something. I'll post it, and then at 4 p.m., let's make it 5 p.m. At 5 p.m. tomorrow, I will go on Insta Live and I'll teach the choreography. And you guys can tune in. You can go live with me. We can do it together. You understand? But I think it'll be dope. So yeah, so just let me know. I'm going to need you guys. So let me know what style of dance you want me to teach and what song you want me to teach it to. And then 12 p.m. I'll post a video of the choreography. And at 5 p.m. tomorrow, IG Live, I teach. Let's make it a vibe. I like it. Yeah? Sharp.